Okay, we're now Unit 8. Um, so what you need to do is open up your hotel project, and then we're going to insert the WKUA title sheet in it. So let's open up our hotel project from a few weeks ago. Let's copy these doors. So we're going to make a copy of this door, and we're going to move it by that endpoint to right here, and then we're going to make a copy right here. We will rotate that copy. Make sure your F8's on your ortho, and we really need to mirror that, so we're going to do mirror. We'll just mirror this swing. We're going to click here and then down here. In this case, we're going to erase the original. Alright, so move it to here. Okay, so I didn't get it quite in the right place, so we'll move. There we go. So now we have the doors on. We are going to change, we're going to make sure that all of these lines are on a wall interior. Okay, so now if we turned off that layer, yep, that's correct. So now we can go back and turn that layer back on. All right, we need to go to Autocad, and let's try a different hatch just for kicks. So if we go to hatch, and we use the third hatch, the ANSI 31, and if you use the pick, you see it's solid. It's really supposed to be a line, you know, spaced lines. So that's where we have to scale it. I'm thinking 24 is a good scale. Yes. I'm going to click here, here, and here. And that's got all my empty spots. I'm going to hit enter. And where I got the 24 is if I plotted this at a 1/2 inch, so if you did 24 times divided by that 2, or divided by 12, sorry, there's 12 inches in a foot, 24 divided by 12 is 1/2 inch. So that's where if I wanted to do a 1/4 inch scale, then that would be 48. 1/8 inch scale would be 96, so on and so forth. Alright, so now I have my hatching in. I'm going to go to Layout 1. I'm going to change the layer of the viewport to depth points. There it is. I'm going to click, turn off my F3 or my O snaps. I'm going to kind of think maybe that'll work. I'm going to double click inside my viewport. Quarter inch works perfectly. Pan, I'm going to pan it in to center it. Double click outside. Now I'm going to go to Insert, Block, Browse, my WKUA sheet, Open. Okay, and then I'm going to click 0, 0, Enter. Alright, so this is Hotel Room Project. Let's give it Marriott hotels. Floor plan, arc 1, it was 1/4 inch. The date, we'll put fall, and then drawn by your initials and checked by my initials. We'll go up here to File, Plot. We'll change our pen style to monochrome. Adobe Keep PDF. If you're in the WK Labs, you'll find the Adobe PDF will work as well too. But if you're doing this from your home computer, Cute PDF is free. Okay, letter size. Click the layout and change it to window. Turn back on our F3. Click at the lower left hand, upper right, center the plot, preview, right click, exit, apply to layout. Let's look at that preview again. You can really tell the line weights here. See, the interior lines are not as heavy. That's really good AutoCAD practices, okay? So white button exit, apply to layout, hit cancel because we're not ready to print just yet. Okay, we want to make sure that that title block is on layer 0. And that is our, I'll move this to center it sort of. That looks better. That is the plot for the floor plan. Now, if we had wanted to do a furniture plan, a plumbing schedule, you know, all that good stuff, you would right-click on that layout too and click delete and say OK. And then right-click on layout 1, click move or copy, move to end, create a copy, and hit OK. So now we've clicked on that new tab. We do not have to go through inserting that title block again. It's all filled out. We can do ED to edit the title block, and we'll say that our second sheet will be our furniture plan, and we'll change that to ARC 2. And then when we get ready to put our furniture in, so then we'll have a furniture plan already set up. Alright, so you'll want to, you can rename these tabs. So on layout 1, we're going to rename it Floor Plan. On layout, the other layout tab, we're going to rename it to say Furniture. So a set of construction documents can probably have, you know, upwards to 10 or 20 tabs on the AutoCAD drawing showing different construction plans. Okay, so that's it for the Unit 8. If you'll save, then do plot, and plot, hit preview, and you'll want to be on the floor plan and not the furniture plan. Click exit there and hit OK, and then save that to your desktop. And on Blackboard, you're going to want to submit both the drawing and the PDF. And I will see you for Unit 9.